donor receiver. So now let's talk about the lost one. Okay, lost module. So suppose I have lost my pet. Okay, and it looks like this pet. Okay, suppose this is my Tommy, and which is lost. Okay, and someone has posted ki they have found it or they wanted to donate. Okay, and suppose now this is my pet and I want to claim ki this is my lost pet. Okay, so here you can adopt. Okay, that process I explained previously. And suppose now this is the lost one, right? So I have my lost pet. Okay, so when you click this, then it will ask you for upload some secret image or your port image. matlab, means whatever images you have for the same pet, so they are asking to upload for the same. Okay, so then you have to select the any one of the image of you have. As of now, I'll select some random one. Okay, and then you have to confirm. Okay, and then this request will goes to admin. Then admin will let's go to the admin panel. Okay, so this is the admin panel. So I have added one more section which is pending claim ownership. Ownership means lost plate ownership. Okay, this is the adoption and this is the point which I explained previously. So you have to go to pending claim ownership request. Okay, so here you can see this is the request which we just raised. Okay, and raised by Jay and published by Sahil. Okay, so this is the pet image. Okay, and this is the image which is uploaded. This is the secret another image of pet. Just we are just considering ki this image I have uploaded the car image. Okay, so I told you right to upload a image by suppose I have lost, so I am claiming ki this is my pet, so I am uploading the image, right? So that is the image, this one. Okay, and this is the another image of pet. Okay, so then what the system will do, system will give you the similarity between the image, between this image and this image, between this image and this image. So the similarity between image versus claimer secret, the claimer who uploaded the image and the publisher who uploaded the image. Okay, it's just 47%. Similarly, publisher secret and claimer secret is also very less, so that means it is not the same pattern. You can see image is not similar, right? Similarly, see this is the image. Okay, which is claim image and everything is same. So here you can see it's 100% similar. Okay, so this way user can check and they can accept or reject. Okay, accordingly. So this way I have added the feature for the image similarity. Okay, so yeah, so it's now completed.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.